LOL. This is gonna be another super long ass video that I'm gonna have to do a shit fucking ton of editing on. This is Sarah. And we're gonna do our version of my drunk kitchen. So, should do this over the sink. What do you put in there? That's yours. No, it is in a 2 shot glass from Bacardi.
It's not a beaker.
Shut up. This is a beaker. Chink! I could just imagine the epic mealtime noise right now. It's very awkward. Also very spicy. I made enough for 4 shots. Apparently this is smaller than a shot glass. That's a lot. Okay.
Oh, but it's weird.
First step in my drunk kitchen is drink. Yep.
And more drinking.
So, we're making shouts out. Ooh, I only had 2 sips and a shot. Shout out to my friend Chris Sampson, who gave us the idea of pizza nachos. So we found this thing for super yummy nachos, and we're gonna make it. And cookie sheet is right here. Shh. We have to be quiet or my parents will yell at us. Things everywhere. Okay.
Everything is so loud.
Ah, it's only 10:48 right now, so it's really not that late. But my sister has school tomorrow. So, cheers to summer.
To being in college.
Are you gonna drink?
No, I'll just finish this off then. This is so sweet.
Do you not like sweet?
I do.
You
I
do?
love sweet.
Perfect. You know what? I have a real wine glass. It's my mom's. Be very careful. Don't break it.
What your watermelon is?
Bloop. Do you like this one? That's what's in the blue bottle. Tell me if you like this.
It's weird.
It looks like it's got apples and orange and peach.
Less sweet, more smooth. Not bad.
Do you like it?
Jesus Christ, why would you do this? So we're just gonna be like going back and forth between these two. Jesus, this is heavy.
Drunk. Okay. So, now that we've done more booze than cook, get a pot.
Not a bad thing.
Pot.
Just totally headshot that.
Put pot on stove. Now what's the next step? 1.5 tablespoons of unsalted butter. This doesn't say if it's salted or not, so don't care. cut butter. Okay. Put butter in pot. Begin by melting the butter along with the olive oil on the stove. Olive oil. Half a tablespoon olive oil. Measuring. Measuring things are up here.
Alright. You take frequent breaks and get off camera just to text.
She's texting her boyfriend. Half a tablespoon. Half tablespoon. Olive oil. It's extra virgin. Like me.
Well, I wouldn't
Hashtag forever alone.
I wouldn't say extra.
That's true. Shh. I hope we don't need that because it's in the sink now.
Just wash it later. Remember, wash as you go.
And yeah, wash as you go. That one. Medium. Sure? Yes. To medium-low heat once. Oh, minced garlic. Fuck, do we have garlic? I don't even know.
It's a spice if you want to add garlic. You don't need to.
I don't even know if we have that shit. I have garlic
Garlic?
salt.
Not the same.
I feel like there's garlic in this house. There's usually garlic in this house.
Granulated garlic?
God damn it, we were just at the store. Why didn't I know that we needed this?
Jesus Christ. Is it the same as garlic powder?
You know what? I'm sure that will be just fine.
You don't need garlic. I mean, you can add other spices.
Whatever. So this
Let me get this out of
is
the way.
melting in the thing. While it melts, drink.
This is so smooth. It's like apple.
3 cloves garlic. Yeah, I don't have that. Heavy cream and milk. I have those. Cream, milk.
What does it say?
I don't know. Once melted, toss in minced garlic, aka garlic powder, because we don't have
So spicy.
garlic, I guess. Whatever. Give a good stir. Keep stirring until it comes to a boil. Toss in salt, pepper, chili flakes. We don't have chili flakes, along with the cheese. Okay.
Yeah, look at it melt. Show them how it melts.
Can you, I don't know if they can see that.
Turn it.
You can try. Can you? This is what's happening right now. It's melting in a really fun pattern. If you can't see it, sucks for you. Should probably not have pumpkin on there. Okay, half cup heavy cream, 1/4 cup 2% milk. Well, we don't have 2% milk in this house, so fuck that shit.
There's cups here.
This is for liquid. Duh. Did Miss Kaczynski teach you anything in high school?
Who?
Or middle school, or whatever the fuck taught facts?
Don't.
What is it? 1/4 cup
Yeah.
milk.
I remember there was cooking class, but really they just taught me how to make like no-fat American quesadillas. They were disgusting as fuck.
It's melting. Garlic things. How do we not have garlic?
Granulated garlic up there.
Minced onion. How do we have minced onion and not minced garlic? God damn it. You know what? Whatever. Perfect. Once melted, toss in minced garlic and give a good stir.
good enough.
Who measures? Hannah Hart never measures. Fuck measuring. It smells like garlic. Good enough for me.
Good enough for everybody.
And we stirred. Now what?
Oh God, I smell it.
Add the cream and the milk. Milk. Half cup heavy cream.
Oh man, I can barely open these when I'm like completely sober. Half cup?
Yes, half cup heavy cream. Raise the heat to medium high, add the cream and the milk and give it a good stir. Keep stirring it until it comes to a boil. So I have to stir this fucking thing until it boils? God damn it. Okay, I gotta raise it to medium high, and I have to stir until it boils. So you're gonna have to read the next instructions.
Hi, camera. Where did you leave off?
Keep stirring until it comes to a boil. Toss in the salt. Okay, so we need a pinch of salt. I don't really like pepper, so I think there might be pepper in that grinder up there. Toss in salt, pepper, chili flakes along with the cheese. So we have to get the cheese. So where's 1/4 cup Parmesan cheese? It's in the fridge. 1/4 cup. Oh, never mind. I lied. It's not in the fridge. It's right here.
In front of my face.
I took it out of the fridge, I guess. I forgot.
Parmesan cheese. 1/4 cup. Really?
Pinch of salt.
We can add as much cheese as we want.
Pinch of salt. This is for the sauce. There'll be more cheese on the nachos. Do you want pepper in this?
Not really.
Okay, great. We're skipping to pepper. 1/4? Yeah, but not yet. It's not boiling yet.
Where's
It says 1/4 right there. Toss in the salt, pepper, and chili flakes along with the cheese. Continue stirring. The sauce will thicken pretty quick, so continue to stir. Once the sauce is thickened, remove from the burner and set aside. So once this boils, I already added the salt, so fuck that shit. So once this boils, we add the cheese.
that cheese? And then... Is this for the on top cheese?
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Oof. Something that the camera should be made aware of is I'm a lightweight, so I'm gonna be drunk pretty quick.
Hi, I'm Mexican.
Once upon a time, Sarah and some friends did like 5 tequila shots and nothing happened. Once upon a time, Jess did 2 tequila shots and giggled for 5 hours.
I got tired
The end.
and sleepy.
It's fucking boiling yet. I feel like I should put my hair up. Can you stir that so I can put my hair up?
Also, I get really cuddly.
I just laugh at everything. I'm always just like, guys, what? Can you even see what we're... Is that better? Because have you not been able to see us for the last however long?
They saw our
us now.
faces.
Is it boiling yet? Almost.
Oh yeah, it is. It's totally boiling.
Yeah!
There are bubbles and everything.
Stir! Add cheese and continue to stir. The sauce will thicken pretty quick, so continue to stir. Once it's thickened, remove from the burner and set aside. Here's another pinch of salt. Yeah.
Cheers.
When you're ready to make your nachos, preheat your oven to 400.
This is really boiling.
Is that supposed to lower the heat? I don't think so. They didn't say to lower the heat. Maybe we should add more cheese.
Nothing wrong with more cheese.
Maybe it's because we use skim milk instead of 2%.
Nothing wrong.
Cheese. Maybe it is because we use 2% milk. Maybe we should add more heavy cream. Just like a little bit. I can see it starting to thicken in some places, but not in others. Is it? Come on, sauce. Come in.
How thick is thick?
I don't know. It said it will thicken quickly. No, I don't think that's enough. Okay. Maybe we should stop. Ow!
Add more cheese?
That's delicious. See, not even all the cheese that we put in there is melted yet. I still see kind of chunks of it. Yeah. More cheese! Okay, there we go. It's starting to thicken, kind of. Alrighty. It says remove from burner, set aside. So now there's a hot burner, and we have things on our nachos. When you're ready to make your nachos, preheat your oven to 400 in a cast iron fajita skillet. Nope. We are doing it on a cookie sheet. Let's not melt this stuff.
This.
Let me go back. This is empty. We should
Move this out of the way.
put that back in the fridge. I mean,
Put
well,
all this in the
yeah,
fridge.
we'll need it in like a minute. That's fine. We can do a minute.
Right there. Everything right there.
Okay. Na, na, na. First, add your chips. Boo boo. I stole it from Hannah Hart. I love you.
Jesus, that's a lot of chips.
Can they see this? I don't think they can. Can you? There, chips. I think that's enough. I think that's plenty of chips.
Jesus Christ.
Okay, now they can't see us. Computers are difficult. Okay, and this
Wait,
is hot.
wait, let me-
I can't put my hand on that.
Let me show you the amount of
Yeah,
chips.
no. Whew. Chips, topped with drizzle the garlic cream sauce over the chips. The garlic cream sauce, which I don't think still is done. 'Cause look, it's still like green. Whatever.
Whatever, it's cheese sauce, whatever.
If you can't see it, that sucks. But I'm drizzling sauce onto nachos. No.
Delicious.
Oh, gosh, so good. So the recipe called for onions, pepperoni, olives, and bell peppers.
No.
I don't like pepperoni, onions, olives, or bell peppers. So wait, what? Preheated what? We didn't preheat anything. Why does it say we had to preheat something? Oh, preheated oven. Oh my god, I was like, did we have to preheat food? Holy crap. So instead of doing nasty shit like that, we decided to do bacon. Because it's better than pepperoni. So. Don't eat that. It's not edible. So much bacon.
Oh, Dash.
Nom. My cat is joining the party apparently. So then when you do that, refill your wine glass because it's empty.
Or, you know, finish yours.
Oh no! One bottle down. You know, I wonder how many bottles Hannah Hart goes through when she does My Dumb Kitchen.
I think it's at least 2.
I feel like it's a lot. Okay, cheese. Now it says Now it says 1 cup Colby Jack. But fuck measuring.
Now we could add as much cheese as we want.
So do you know what I realized we just didn't do? Where were we supposed to put the pizza sauce? Where's that in the recipe? Huh? I think we missed it.
For garlic cream sauce. I think that comes later.
Maybe the
Nachos.
garlic cream sauce is the pizza sauce. Let's add some pizza sauce anyway.
There is nothing about pizza sauce.
We're gonna put some on anyway. So it's gonna be garlic cream sauce with pizza sauce.
Good enough.
So probably add however much you want, which for me is really not that much, but it won't come out of the can very easily. So I'll just kind of do whatever the fuck you want, because you already have garlic sauce, so you don't really need that much anyway.
It was a bit weird, so you never know.
And then more cheese.
Just add as much cheese as you want.
Because who the fuck doesn't like cheese? If you don't like cheese, then you're not an American at all.
You're just not a person.
But you know, if you're lactose intolerant, then I'm really sorry. Or you know what? No, they have vegan cheese.
If you're a vegan, you're not a person.
So
No, if you're vegan, you're not a person.
I have vegan friends.
They're not people. I'm not even gonna get into that debate.
And then LOL cameras. Pizza nachos. Then you put them in the oven. Which is fucking hot. And then you leave those
Yeah, you are.
in there. You leave those in. Cook until the cheese is nice and bubbly, roughly 7 minutes. cool. So now that that's in the oven, take a shot. Because you're probably not drunk enough yet. Because cooking is too easy right now. So drink more. And chase it with wine. Because there's probably too much vodka in this shot.
Oh, jeez.
Yay!
Ah, spicy.
Tastes like Fruit Loops.
Spicy rum shot of Fruit Loops.
Okay, clean as you go. Ta-da! Put those in the fridge. And now, we're gonna make, while our whatevers are in the oven, we're gonna make pumpkin cheesecake. Because we can. And it says it's gonna take 2 hours, and fuck that. Okay. So we need, the cream cheese has to be room temperature. I put it in the fridge.
It doesn't really matter.
Oops. Well, the oven's hot, so I'll just put it there. Hooray! Garbage. Ooh. Sarah's texting again, so she's not cooking or drinking. Okay. Cream cheese, pumpkin pie mix, and sugar. Okay, so we need 1 cup pumpkin pie mix. I have to burp. Oh, excuse me. That was not ladylike. Pumpkin pie mix, which is apparently different than 100% pumpkin. Is there a difference? I think so. Is this going into a pot or a mixing bowl? Oh fuck, do we have a... It's over here. Nope. I don't think we have a mixer.
A mixer?
Like a...
Electronic?
Yeah.
You don't need them. You just mix it yourself.
Oh. Okay. So, big bowl.
Yes.
Really? Who the fuck uses electronic mixers? You just mix it yourself.
Big, here, there's a big bowl. Ooh. Big,
Alright.
okay, big bowl. Cup. This is a cup. And this is pumpkin pie mix. Put it in the cup first. Pumpkin pie mix. Shoosh.
Cup?
1 cup. And then we need 1/4 cup sugar, which is in the pantry. You know what? I like pumpkin a lot. So we're going to do a big cup.
It's a bit more than a cup. So sugar.
Now we have pumpkin in my mouth and in a bowl. The one with the brown top.
We can't find our sugar right now. Can we borrow some of yours? If you were neighbors. Would you be up at 11?
I just moved back to home from school and things are moved around. But I got it. It's sugar. Yeah. I like this one much better than that one.
They're both good, different, but good.
How the fuck did that get in there?
What is it?
A bug! I'm not drinking wine with a bug in it. That's really sad. Stupid bug.
That's the last of that one.
Oh my god!
Oh, Jesus.
Sorry.
So much heat.
We forgot to put the feta cheese on the nachos.
You're just gonna like throw it in there?
Yeah. And then we'll add more when they're done.
I'm gonna help throwing.
Okay. They're done in like 30 seconds. Yeah.
Cheese all
Cheese.
up in my hand.
Feta cheese is one of my favorite cheeses. Yum. Oh my god, I'm almost done. 2, 1. Boop.
Just let it sit in there.
We're not done with this yet, so we're not going to get those out yet.
Alright. So sugar.
We're the
Cream cheese.
4th cup, right? 1/4.
1/4 of sugar.
I had cheese in it still. Sugar. And
Where's like a mixing thing? Do you fork? Fork is good.
whisk.
Whisks, okay.
And this is
How much is that? 1 cream cheese.
1 8-ounce cream cheese, which is this. And it's supposed to be room temperature, but it's not. But
doesn't really-
I don't care. I just put it on the stove.
Smell that pumpkin. You can watch me mix it. Oh yeah. Oh god. It's all just like firm. I just plopped right in.
Cream cheese. Sugar. Next up, beat with electric mixer until smooth. We don't have one of those.
Who uses
So fuck that. 1 cup Coof Whip. Coof Whip. That means I have to wash the cup.
Alright. Ah, there it is.
My purse.
There you are. No. There you are.
It's not smooth. Keep going.
She's fixing the camera. Yeah.
Boop. New drink.
Yeah. Got some on the floor.
No such thing as an empty cup
I thought you were like gonna pour that in here.
in this show. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm filling up the cup. Second bottle of wine is gone.
Where's the mouse? There it is.
Stir it faster. You have to pretend you're an electric mixer.
I don't use whisks. I use forks.
Then use a There we go.
Chunky cream cheese. Chunky cream
Maybe we
cheese.
should. I was just about to say maybe we should put it in the microwave, but it's in a metal bowl. So
No.
we should absolutely not do that. This is frozen.
Cool-whip.
No.
Switching hands. What's it called? Ambidextrous?
Ambidextrous.
Ambidextrous. I can use both my hands. Aw, yeah.
My ready crust is broken a lot.
Oh, it doesn't matter. It's gonna go in the fridge anyway.
It's fine. No one cares.
Wanna lick this?
I don't know, boys. Do I want to lick this?
I think she does.
I can get this whole thing into my mouth. You want to see?
How obscene! Ah, scandalous.
Yeah. Remember that part where I'm still a virgin?
But not extra. Remember. So, besides cooking and drinking, this is also an advertisement for this girl. This
I need a
wonderful,
boyfriend.
curvaceous,
Drunk. Girl.
but kind of skilled. Well, how about we use the term woman?
Delicioso.
Yes, delicioso woman. Just get some of this while I'm stirring.
How am I like not on the ground yet? I've had a bottle of wine. And like a half. Is that smooth?
Smooth enough.
Okay. Then it says, fold Cool Whip into the pumpkin mixture. If you fold with the spoon. Do you know how to fold?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me just lick this. Oh god, it is good.
No, Cool Whip. Cool Whips. Put it in the microwave for like a couple seconds. Because it's frozen.
This is also a show about us licking things.
Cool Whip. I missed the bowl and hit the computer. It's fine. I'm really good at licking off white stuff.
I don't think they can see my
That was still too frozen. I shouldn't have done that.
It doesn't matter.
Put it in the freezer, I guess, because that's where Cool Whip goes. I don't know.
Freezer, fridge. And then there's that cream cheese.
Spoon mixture into prepared 9-inch graham cracker pie crust and spread to fill evenly.
There's also that Cool Whip on the computer.
Whatever. Cool Whip.
gonna
While
wanna.
Sarah's doing that, get your nachos before they burn.
That.
Sorry. Oh, yum.
Delicious.
Add more cheese. 'Cause why not? It's still hot.
Add a bit more sauce.
Huh? Sauce?
Yeah. And let it all settle.
Have you ever noticed that nachos in the corner never get any love? They're
Yeah.
always the empty chips. These are double-decker pizza nachos.
All of the cheese and sauce.
And then, where did I put the... You know what this needs? More bacon. More bacon!
I'm just gonna keep folding this until I think it's done.
Okay. What did I do? No. Then drink.
Alright.
You've watched her fold long enough. Folding's not interesting.
Or
Drinking's
you
interesting.
could watch me fold all night.
You're not in camp. I fixed it.
Oh, it's getting hot in here.
It's funny, you know. I've had a bottle of wine, 2 shots, and a wine cooler. And I don't feel drunk.
30 minutes.
I'll feel drunk in 30 minutes. Probably by the time we get to eat the cheesecake. Put it in the... We're going to put it... It's done. We're going to put it in...
Yeah, it's all on the sides and everything. Just stuck on there.
Spatula to the rescue. Spatula. You.
I'll just hold it.
No, you do it. I can't. Yeah, spread out that cake. Hi, camera holder here. I'm gonna lick this spoon, okay?
Alright, I think it's good.
Did you enjoy that? I hope so. This is our cheesecake. Refrigerate for 2 hours. Take out your nachos.
They eat.
Ta-da! Oh my god.
Alright, let's see this.
Oh my god. Yum yum.
Oh, jeez.
Put it in your mouth. Oh my, that's so fucking good.
Pretty damn good.
Oh my god.
Have a drink as well.
God. It's empty. Just look at all the cheese. And I taste the garlic sauce, even though I mostly taste the spaghetti sauce we put on it.
It's there, but it's not overwhelming.
They're so. Yeah, this is all the garlic sauce at the bottom. Look at those chips. Oh, yummy.
Now you're just gonna watch us eat and drink.
And in 2 hours, you can watch us eat a cheesecake. Maybe if we put it in the freezer, it'll be 1 hour instead of 2.
Bad idea. Maybe we can drink and take our clothes off.
LOL, no.
Not really.
Oh. We will, see you in 2 hours. Sarah is Skyping with people, and there's this show on in the background.
Pumpkin cheesecake? Oh god, yes. We made pumpkin cheesecake.
Sarah's Skyping, and there's a show on in the background
We also made pumpkin Jesus.
about people
So I'm gonna let you guys know so I can smash into this.
about people who are obsessed with stuff, and this girl collects troll dolls. But here's a cheesecake. Sarah hung up Skype, and the other people on the show stuff animals like taxidermy. That's what's going on right now. I'm gonna eat this cheesecake. Oh my god. Get over here right now. Oh my god.
Is it delicious?
This is the part that we get to smosh, because I figured my family would help us eat that part.
Which part?
And it's cut. I'm literally just like, fuck the crust. Pluck it in there. Oh my god. Oh, so good. This is the best idea we've ever had.
Okay, so what you're saying is with AT&T, it'd be the same old network that could get congested,
No.
right? But this one can be slow. Why are you talking to me about? Or there's this one, T-Mobile. So that's 50. This one,
I would like to thank
you see, the monster chose this
Pumpkins
one. We're gonna use that one. Okay, let's go there.
and whoever invented Kufip and whoever invented cheesecake and Hannah Hart for giving us something to do. Cause it was a lot of fun. And I'm bad at puns, so there's no puns in this. But there's pumpkin cheesecake. And that's good enough for me.
So delicious.
You're all beautiful. Okay, bye. It didn't stop. It still didn't stop. Fuck this.